gone through a very violent relationship.
Violent.
Physical abusive also. It has reached that stage. But I didn't want to bring it out in the open at that point of time.
Why are you इतने लंबे समय से सिंगल? मर्द जाति को क्या करना पड़ेगा to impress एरिका? तुम डेट्स पे नहीं जाती?
लोग मिलने तो चाहिए डेट्स पे जाने के लिए.
झूठ पे झूठ बोलती जा रही है.
तो तुम एप्स पे नहीं हो?
You know what? She made me join an app. So that has happened in my past relationship. अगर ये कहीं गया तो तुम्हें इंडस्ट्री छोड़नी पड़ेगी. मैंने कहा क्यों?
खुद एक्टर थे वो?
Was a
बट हमारी इंडस्ट्री में बहुत बातें होती हैं इंटरनली सेट्स पे अबाउट समवन सेंडिंग नेगेटिव एनर्जी. यू बिलीव?
Yes, मुझ पे भी किया गया है तो मुझे पता है.
हाउ डू यू नो तुम पे किया गया है?
You sometimes you know you're being controlled. Sometimes you know.
You're being controlled. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, 3 things that you miss about Mumbai and 3 things you wish कि दुबई की हम मुंबई में ट्रांसफर कर दें.
See, 3
Tax
things
free
I'm.
income. Yeah, but no.
One is the food, and not entirely the entire. यहाँ पे भी Indian food मिलता है. Chaat.
Chaat, yeah.
Chaat.
Actually, Mumbai की chaat is better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dear, how much ever they try.
Yeah. Sorry,
Chaat,
Dubai.
oof.
You need to do better. Okay.
Then the rains.
Oh yeah. नहीं but actually जब से हम लोग दुबई में आए हैं बहुत रेंज आई है यार.
Rains आई है लेकिन that is limited 2-3 days जो भी आता है
Yeah.
ना. I'm talking about monsoons.
नहीं तुम्हारा तो लिटरली मैंने सोफे उड़ते हुए वीडियो देखा था. क्या बात कर रहे हो? घर में टॉवल लेके एरिका फर्नांडिस बंद कर रही है जाना.
वो तो तूफान था.
Okay.
Oh my God, that was.
What an experience, you know. And
Oof.
okay, third one.
I saw chairs flying out
Yeah,
of
man.
windows.
There were no humans on the chair, just chairs.
Just a chair.
Okay. Third one.
Third क्या है?
मुझे क्या पता, तुम्हें पता होना चाहिए.
तुम क्या मिस करते हो?
मैं मुंबई.
हाँ.
कुछ लोगों को.
कौन है ये लोग?
I wish I could just get them, but सबके वीजा मैं क्यों करूँ? Do you miss anybody in Mumbai?
See, I visit
कितने
Mumbai.
सालों से सिंगल है वैसे एरिका?
I think 4 years now. 4 years now?
किसी और से क्यों पूछना?
Because I'm very bad with dates and all of that. So I'm asking her because she knows.
Literally like she just asked.
I asked her because sometimes I think
Okay.
no, because I'm thinking it's 3. Then she's like, no, it's not 3.
पर
It's
तुम
4.
भूल जाती हो ये तुम कितने समय.
Because I have lost track of it.
Okay, why
इतना
are
लंबा हो
you
चुका
इतने
है.
लंबे समय से सिंगल? क्या हमें मर्द जाति को क्या करना पड़ेगा to impress एरिका?
I don't know. See, the first thing is I need to fix this thing about myself that I need to get out of my comfort zone and start meeting people.
तुम डेट्स पे नहीं जाती?
लोग मिलने तो चाहिए डेट्स पे जाने के लिए.
तो तुम एप्स पे नहीं हो?
You know what? She made me join an app.
Yeah?
She made me join an app and I'm like, I can't do this. I don't know if the other person in front will be a serial killer.
इतने एक्सट्रीम ख्याल क्यों है वैसे तुम्हारे?
क्योंकि वो Netflix देख
No,
के
who gave you this trauma? We want to know.
Documentaries.
अच्छा डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज देख.
हाँ एंड देन डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज में क्या क्या दिखाते हैं भाई, उसमें से वैसे भी डर लगता है. और फिर प्रीवियस जो ट्रस्ट इश्यूज मेरे रह चुके हैं उस
कौन भाई साहब जिन्होंने इनको इतना ट्रॉमा दिया है कि लड़की डॉक्यूमेंट्री देख देख के डरी. भाई हम सारे लड़के इतने बुरे नहीं होते.
नहीं मैं ऐसे नहीं बोल रही, इसलिए तो आई एम रेडी टू गो ऑन अ डेट बट आई डोंट नो इफ द पर्सन इज राइट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई नीड टू गेट आउट ऑफ माई हाउस. I'm always confined in between those 4 walls and I don't have too many friends in Dubai also कि socialize करूँ.
But तुम निकलती ही नहीं हो.
तुम बुलाओ तो
कितने guys on camera so many times I have called her. She is busy making chai.
I'm making chai.
Making chai as in, the only thing Erika is interested is, import export of chai. She literally doesn't turn up for plans. She's like, अगले weekend.
Last time we made the movie plan, वो tickets नहीं मिले.
Correct.
हाँ तो ऐसा मत बोलो कि मैं नहीं निकलती हूँ घर से. टिकट्स नहीं मिले. एक मिनट, तुम लास्ट मिनट आके बोलते हो हाँ मैं आ गया हूँ दुबई. निकलो घर से. कैसे हो सकता है ये भाई?
Guys,
लोगों के प्लान्स होते हैं ना.
ये प्लान मुझे ट्रोल करने का नहीं था, प्लान था एरिका को ट्रोल करने का. बट नो सीरियसली. तो वन थिंग इज एरिका अपने घर से निकलती नहीं है इसलिए सिंगल है. दूसरा कैसे लड़के लाइक ओके लेट्स टुडे ऑन दिस पॉडकास्ट आंसर शादू भाड़ में गए क्वेश्चंस. लेट्स फाइंड आउट एरिका फर्नांडिस के लिए सही लड़का.
सही लड़का. तो सही लड़का
में क्या नहीं होना चाहिए? 3 चीजें क्या होना चाहिए?
See, first of all, this whole mindset of Because the first thing that I don't like telling people is from the industry I am in.
Industry?
I am from, or
you
being
don't
an
like-
actor or something. I don't like putting that as the main thing कि मैं actress हूँ.
हाँ, people perceive you differently.
Yeah, pursue you differently. Also, they have a different impression about your lifestyle or the person you are. They will not want to know you for who you are. Sometimes they get, पूरा awestruck, or they are like, actress है.
हाँ, एक्चुअली पता नहीं लोगों को ऐसा क्यों लगता है एक्ट्रेस है वो जो आई नो विद द टोन दैट यू सी कि एक्ट्रेसेस के मल्टीपल रिलेशनशिप्स हैं, झूठ बोल रही हैं, पता नहीं परसेप्शन है.
So that has happened in my past relationship.
Yeah?
कि एक्ट्रेस अभी हो, लेकिन अगर ये कहीं गया तो तुम्हें इंडस्ट्री छोड़नी पड़ेगी. मैंने कहा क्यों? जब तुम मुझसे मिले मैं एक्ट्रेस ही थी,
हाँ.
अब भी एक्ट्रेस ही हूँ, और बाद में भी एक्ट्रेस ही
So there was a
रहूंगी.
condition that अगर रिलेशनशिप आगे जाता you will have to leave.
Yeah.
बट ये कंडीशन हमेशा एंड you're not the only one. बेसिकली नयनतारा ने भी अभी अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्री में जिसके ऊपर बहुत बवाल हो रहा है, शी इज ओपनली स्पोकन अबाउट इट दैट वो भी एक ऐसी रिलेशनशिप में थी जो फेमस रिलेशनशिप थी वेयर शी वाज बीइंग फोर्स्ड कि आप छोड़ देंगी एक्टिंग जब एंड यू नो शी इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट सुपरस्टार्स डाउन साउथ. व्हाई इज दिस एक्सपेक्टेशन ओनली फ्रॉम गर्ल्स?
See, because men think that, I'm sorry, but it is a fact that people from the industry, especially men, think that they can do whatever they want, whatever roles they want on screen. But when it comes to the person they're dating, chalega. When the person they marry, नहीं चलेगा. क्यों? क्यों?
मुझे
अगर
नहीं
तुम
पता.
कर सकते हो, तुम लड़के नहीं हो.
मैं हूँ लेकिन लाइक मुझे क्यों डांट दिया जा रहा है? मैंने नहीं किया है. कौन थे ये भाई साहब जिन्होंने तुम्हें ऐसी बातें कही हैं? खुद एक्टर थे वो?
See, no. He was not an actor.
अच्छा तभी
No, he was not an actor. He was a businessman. Businessman में क्या ही बोल
businessman
रही हूँ
you should do
businessman.
better यार. You know what are you talking about? कि
But
actress-
that's what I'm saying. Businessman भी सिर्फ part time businessman था.
क्या बड़ा होगी रियली थी?
नहीं. See, the problem is people who live off their parents and don't do things on their own. They think that they can, they get away with things. And I didn't like that attitude because,
Good riddance.
yes, good riddance, bad rubbish.
Yeah.
For me, it was. I don't know how they're going to take it after this interview, but I'm sure.
They can, मतलब जैसे लेना ले क्योंकि अब यहाँ तो नहीं आपकी दाल गलने वाली है. गाड़ी निकल चुकी है.
गाड़ी बहुत
पहले नहीं.
प्लेन उड़ चुकी
No,
है.
I'm happy for you that ऐसी जगह रुकना भी नहीं भाई. You know.
नहीं, there was that relationship which also, and somewhere I own up to my mistake, क्योंकि मेरे अंदर एक वो चीज़ चल रही थी कि भाई तुम्हारी एक रिलेशनशिप नहीं चली तो तुम दूसरा वाला ट्राई करो, और ये क्यों नहीं चल रही है, इसको चलाओ. प्रेशर था कि भाई वो रिलेशनशिप जिसमें तुम पहले थी, तुम नहीं चला ना, क्यों नहीं चला, अभी इसको चलाओ. चलाने की बहुत कोशिश की, रबर बैंड की तरह स्ट्रेच. एट वन पॉइंट फैमिलीज गॉट इन्वॉल्व्ड एंड वो प्रेशर था कि भाई फैमिलीज इन्वॉल्व है तो अभी और ट्राई करना पड़ेगा देखने के लिए कि ये चलता है नहीं चलता है. बट इट वॉज फ्रॉम विद इन, इट वॉज नथिंग, देयर वॉज नथिंग लेफ्ट. And there was only traumas that were being...
Yeah. And then you carry
Yeah, you're carrying all of that. And that took me a while to get over it. And that, it brought me to a point of realization कि भाई, forgiveness and move on. ये आप बोलते हो ना कि भाई उसके वजह से मैं move on, उसके वजह से नहीं है कुछ भी. Move on or forgiveness is on you.
Because you have a lot of female fans also, you know.
Yeah.
What would you like to say to all those girls कि मैं move on नहीं कर पाई?
See, move on
रमेश
करना
से गुजरने के लिए मैं सुरेश को डेट
नहीं. That's the worst thing you could do to yourself and the other person. क्योंकि आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि आप उस पर्सन को कब छोड़ते हो, अपने जिंदगी से लेट आउट कब करते हो. It is on you.
Are you good with moving on?
I have moved on.
नहीं, but are you good with moving?
Have I?
Are you good with moving on, you know? Like, you know,
Actually, that question, I don't know. Because if
Okay, I'll ask
I
you
don't
that.
know, Shardul. I really don't know.
तो मैं तुम्हें अलग तरीके से पूछता हूँ. कुछ लोग होते हैं जो अभी भी सैड गाने सुनते हैं और उन्हें अपने
नहीं,
past- नहीं
No.
ओके. कुछ लोग होते हैं जो बड़ा रोना धोना करते
नहीं,
हैं,
शार्दुल,
बॉटल के साथ बैठ जाते
I'll
हैं.
tell you the thing कि मुझे this is a question that I need to ask myself, which I've been asking myself for a while, and I have made a choice now in my life at a very, you know, very later stage in my life where I've thought about all of this, that I want to move on. Because I have been single since so long. Why? Because I was not being able to move on.
Yeah.
Why
What was
I
not letting you?
This whole, see, you, that baggage, that trauma, the experiences, the
मेरे केस में तो ये होता कि looks बड़े अच्छे थे, वहाँ से नहीं move on कर पा रहा था मैं, but you, like I was still attracted.
No. It's not about the physical attraction or anything. It was about the trust issues. कि अगर मैं किसी से मिलूं भी तो ये same hurt अगर वो मुझे देगा तो.
अच्छा तुम डर के ही साथ रहे,
डर
तो
के
it was
साथ.
fear.
It was fear, even fear of abandonment, fear of being heartbroken, fear of how to build myself again after that hurt.
You know, जैसे रॉकस्टार में था ना कि जब आपका दिल टूटता है तो सही संगीत निकलता है. You know, that's actually true. You know, for a lot of artists that तुम किसी को भी देखो, अडेल से लेके किसी को भी देखो. I'm thank God अडेल का ब्रेकअप हुआ कि उन्होंने इतने बढ़िया गाने बनाए. But genuinely, like, don't you think so that you know हर किसी की जिंदगी में एक हार्ट ब्रेक आता है जो आपको पूरा तोड़ता है. But then from there you change as an artist also. Have you still had that? या अभी वो समोसे की चटनी रॉकस्टार वाला भी खाना बाकी है?
नहीं,
You don't remember the scene? रणबीर कपूर को बोलते हैं कि अगर आपका दिल
movie.
नहीं टूटा है ना तो आप अच्छा संगीत नहीं बना सकते हो. तो वो कहता अरे यार मेरे समोसे में चटनी नहीं है, लो मेरा दिल टूट गया. Just to become a good artist. Have you had that heartbreak?
Heartbreak, I definitely have had. And how that has shaped me into a person, a lot of things have changed for me. Yes. And again, that's what I'm saying. I have gone through heartbreaks. I have gone through hardships. I have gone through ups and downs of my life. But that has only shaped me and transformed me into
What
who
has
I am.
changed? You know, mostly people change their looks, their hairstyles.
No. That's, it's not about the physical appearance. If you're talking about physical appearance, earlier I used to be the one who used to take a back seat. कि मैं अपने आप को पहले नहीं रखती थी. पहले ये देखती थी कि दूसरों का जो कुछ भी उनकी चीज़ें थी उसको पहले सब थाली में सजा के दे दूँ और उसके बाद मैं अपने आप को देखूँ. Yes, I was that person कि दूसरों को needs को मैं अपने नीड से पहले रखती थी.
So you know there are girlfriends who I know that you know जाके अपने boyfriend के घर की सफाई करने लग जाती है, arrange कर. You were that? यार पहले क्यों नहीं मिली?
लेकिन अब नहीं करती.
What is the stupidest thing you've done in a relationship for a guy?
Everything, yeah.
So it's like when you say कि यार ये क्या बकवासी, अब तो नहीं करूंगी मैं ये.
See, that's what I'm saying.
Like जैसे तुमने कहा ना कि you used to keep others का needs पहले.
That is the stupidest thing that I feel that I've done.
Yeah.
Because I never put myself first. मैंने हमेशा दूसरों के ख्वाहिशें या दूसरों की ज़रूरतों को आगे रखा है. मैं अभी वो नहीं हूँ. मैं ये देखती हूँ कि भाई how will I pamper myself?
Is it a girl problem or a guy problem?
What?
कि लड़कियां लोगों को आगे रखती हैं या ये
It's not a
gender
girl
नहीं है?
problem, it's not a guy problem. It's your own problem within yourself. अगर आप सोचते हो कि you need to please somebody for them to like you, please stop. I used to be that person. I used to be that person who used to be a people's pleaser who could never say no. No is not something that you need to be ashamed of saying. No is a power. When you have that power within yourself, you have control within yourself कि भाई मैं हूँ. If you want to like me, you like me. Don't want to like me, भाड़ में जा.
पर मुझे तुम्हें उस समय मिलना चाहिए था कि हे एरिका कॉफी पे चलोगी, मैं नो नहीं कह सकती. That would have been a good time. But no, it's a much better time to love yourself and keep yourself as a priority. Okay, there's one aspect of you which the Hindi audience को भी इतना नहीं पता था. मुझे पता चला. I was very excited that you've done a lot of South cinema films as well. How's that experience like? Language कैसी, मतलब how's the experience?
So the first South film that I did was when I was 17.
Really?
Yeah, I was 17 years old. And it was a bilingual film, Tamil Telugu make. And the reason why they wanted me was because I resembled Ileana D'Cruz very much at that point of time.
Yeah.
And I didn't see that similarity, but others did.
Yeah, I can see. मतलब,
You still can?
Yeah.
Okay. So they couldn't afford Ileana because they were making a debut themselves. So, and I was like, I can't do South. I don't know the language. I have never acted before. They're like, no, don't worry. We'll handle it, this, that, and everything. So that's how South happened to me.
So Tamil and Telugu.
Tamil, Telugu, yeah. So I had to mug up lines. But even then I couldn't because it's not an easy language to learn. Then I used to have the AD sit wherever nearby in the shot and he used to prompt. तो वो बोलता था और मैं लाइंस बोलती थी. कभी कभार इतने लंबे लंबे डायलॉग्स होते थे कि मैं सिर्फ होठ हिलाती थी और वो सामने से डायलॉग बोल रहा होता था. तो फिर से माइम करती थी. तो वहाँ से स्ट्रगल शुरू हुई क्योंकि मुझे एक तो एक्टिंग वाज न्यू टू मी, ये लाइट सेटअप वाज न्यू टू मी, कैमरा एंगल न्यू टू
That
मी.
was your first time.
फर्स्ट एवर टाइम आई एम फेसिंग कैमरा.
Wow.
तो जब इंडस्ट्री में लोग आते हैं ना तो वैसे ही घबरा जाते हैं कि भाई एक तो लैंग्वेज फॉरेन है मेरे लिए और लोग आपस में क्या बातें कर रहे हैं, हमें ऐसा ही लगता है कि हाँ हमारे बारे में बात कर रहे हैं क्योंकि यू डोंट नो द लैंग्वेज, यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड एनीथिंग. तो आई हैड टू कीप इन माइंड सो मेनी थिंग्स. एक तो लैंग्वेज, दूसरा तो लाइट कहाँ से कैसे कैसे क्या लाइट पकड़ना है, यहाँ वहाँ सेंटर लाइट देखो, फिर कैमरा एंगल देखो, बाल देखो कि वो यू नो इट डजंट हाइड योर फेस, फिर एक्सप्रेशंस देखो, फिर सामने वाले के रिएक्शंस देखो, सब कुछ. फॉर अ 17-year-old when you're entering an industry and that too with a language you don't, it's a lot. So that is how it started. And then later on this I've spoken about in other interviews also, where I was very skinny at that point of time. Talking about this, I want to talk about my journey of how I gained weight also.
Yes, please.
Because I was very skinny and I tried a lot of things. A lot of things.
Skinny for those Indian audience, weight कम था, पतली थी.
पतली थी और बहुत सारे लोग in the southern industry wanted me to be voluptuous.
Yeah.
Which I couldn't. I was stuffed with all kinds of pads, butt pads, chest
सच में वो
pads,
सब होता है?
side thighs. हाँ.
Oh.
I had like ये भी shorts था जिसके अंदर यहाँ पे what do you call space था जहाँ पे they put the side padding here, butt pad going right up till here, then padding cups यहाँ पे, yeah. So they used to fill me, like stuff me with all of that to look voluptuous.
Oh.
Yeah. Now all of that happened. I did a couple of movies where I thought, okay, maybe it is one film experience, maybe the other they won't. And I mean, there was ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं हुआ. There was a different level of which it happened in every film कि इतना पैडिंग इसमें या उसमें या जो भी है थोड़ा बहुत तो हुआ ही.
पैडिंग के भी साइजेस होते हैं? हाँ. Oh sorry, ये मुझे नहीं पता था.
पैडिंग के भी साइजेस होते हैं.
As a guy, मेरा नॉलेज थोड़ा कम है इस बारे में. हाँ.
पैडिंग के भी साइजेस मुझे सब कुछ वहीं पे तो सीखने मिला.
Wow.
So that, and now things have changed in that industry. So what I see it now, people are, you know, more toned and everyone's working out.
Yeah.
But
Muscular,
at that point of time, they wanted, you know, a little mass
Hari
on.
bhari
Yeah,
heroine.
they wanted healthy looking heroines, and that is what they are liking. That is what they cater to. The kind of audience. So there was a time where I was replaced in a film because I gained weight a little bit, but the hero opposite me, he went and beefed up.
हीरो मोटा हो गया तो
No, not mota ho gaya. He gained,
Beefed up,
yeah, he gained muscle. When I saw him before signing the film, he was fine. But he went and he got some muscles and everything on the day of the shoot, and I'm looking at him, I'm like, ये क्या हो गया? I'm like, obviously मैं और पतली लगूंगी अब.
Steroids. Okay.
So that happened. So that journey was different. But then COVID के time पे, when I came to the TV industry and everything, and then COVID के time पे, we had a lot of time in hand to do whatever we wanted. And this is a time where I actually focused on gaining weight.
Healthy gaining weight.
No,
Then?
it didn't matter if it was healthy or
सिर्फ
not.
weight
I
gain
just wanted to gain.
Wow.
So I was on this diet of eating more than 3,000 calories a day because my metabolism was like super high.
Oh wow. मरते हैं लोग उसके लिए.
I know, but you know, it was very difficult for me to gain weight.
It's so different ना. बॉलीवुड में तुम्हें वेट लूज करने के लिए कहा जाता है, यहाँ तुम्हें गेन करने के लिए.
जी.
Wow.
So I was on that diet कि कैसे भी करके मैं मैकडोनल्ड्स के जो मील्स होते थे ना, वो मैक महाराजा वो मंगाती थी. अनहेल्दी वे ऑफ गेनिंग वेट, बट आई यूज्ड टू. और मेरा वो एंड्योरा मास करके वो गेनर था. 3 बार वो उसका शेक और हैप्पी वो मैकडोनल्ड्स का मील खा के मैं मोटी हो गई.
तुम मोटी हुई?
जी.
ये मैंने कभी नहीं देखा, पर हाँ
देखोगे अगर फोटोज जाके तुम देखोगे, आई वॉज लाइक अ पोटेटो. Like I could see when I went back on set, COVID के time पे, they were like, "What happened to you?" I was like, "I was trying to gain weight. I just did it a little extra, I guess." Because my face went round.
Yeah, I
Earlier,
know.
it was like sharp. You know, I was my
और ये बहुत
jawline and
ज़रूरी
everything.
है.
हाँ, was sharp. Suddenly, I went round. लोगों को लगा मैंने फिलर्स किए, लोगों को लगा मैं कुछ अपने फेस में चेंजेस ला रही हूँ, लेकिन यू नो I was so skinny and underweight that people didn't know कि when I was gaining weight, I was filling up in the right spaces कि वो पता नहीं चल रहा था until and unless you compared it with my older pictures.
Older photographs, हाँ.
So when today also my cousins, they were like, "Is this you?" I was like, "Yeah, that's me." You're like, "You've gained weight. That's good." I was like, "Yeah, that's good." I wanted to, but you know, it went when I did Kuchrang after coming, that phase of, you know, wanting to just eat anything and everything, जो मैं पहले करती थी अब नहीं कर सकती.
Yeah.
क्योंकि I changed that cycle of my body, and of course with your age it does change. Things do change in your body, and for me right now to gain weight is very easy, to lose weight also is very easy. So I can switch between both. Now I have lost all the weight that I've gained. I was, when I was doing Kuchrang and Kasauti, I had the same stylist when I was doing Kasauti. I was skinny when I started. And the measurements, the difference between the measurements of that time and now, quite a few inches.
Wow.
And I was 41 to 43 kgs when I was doing first Kuchrang. And then when I came to 43 to 45 when I was doing Kasauti. From 43, I went to 58 kgs.
Wow.
That is the kind of weight I had gained. That is the reason why I started looking different. Of course, with age also you start to, your body changes structure and everything. But, you know, I didn't like the way I was looking on screen because it made me look round and I've never seen myself like that. So I started to now lose weight and I've come to this.
But did it affect you mentally? Like, you know, कि कई बार
Mentally when I was skinny, because people...
It affected you mentally तब?
Yeah, tab,
Oh.
not now. That time it...
But लड़कियां तो मर रही होती हैं स्किनी होने के लिए और तुम दुखी हो रही थी.
मैं दुखी इसलिए हो रही थी because people were being very judgmental, and also that people... See, you need to understand one thing. When you're doing something to a child, the psychology of a child is affected when you try to tag or name call the person.
Yeah.
आप ये बोलोगे कि आप पतली हो, आप यू नो डंडी हो, आप
डंडी हो?
सुक्कड़ बुम्बिल हो, आप...
Really? ये words
yeah,
तुम
yeah.
मतलब ये
Were used on
trollers
me.
कह रहे थे या कोई और?
नहीं, I've had people who have grown up with from when I was a kid, which really took a toll on my self-esteem, on my self-confidence, on a lot of things, which were making me question myself. So when things come from people around you, you're living in a society where people will call you. You're not... See, the Western world is very different from our Indian culture.
Correct.
Indian culture is very different. They kind of think that everyone needs to be healthy and, I mean, fat in order to call them healthy.
Yeah.
So that happened and it really affected me in a certain way. Moving on, I got to a stage where I gained weight. And it was easier for me now to switch between what look I want.
Yeah.
And I've seen, they say na grass is always greener on the other side. मैंने दोनों grass check कर लिए.
ये वाला भी और वो वाला भी.
दोनों की चाय पी ली है मैंने.
But मुझे एक बहुत interesting बात तुमसे करनी है because you know you've done work in television, you've done web भी कर लिया है, you've done music videos, you've done South this thing also. थोड़े समय पहले you know there was this huge uproar by a lot of Malayalam actresses talking about that you know there is casting couch, there are weird offers that are given to heroines and sometimes they're forced also and sometimes not forced लेकिन प्रेशर क्रिएट किया जाता है और आपको सिंगल आउट कर दिया जाता है अगर आप उन चीज़ों को अग्री नहीं करते. Did you ever face anything like that when you worked down south?
I wasn't a part of the Malayalam industry.
Okay.
So I was a part of the Tamil, Telugu and Kannada industry. And no, again, like I said, if I wanted to, I could have been at a different stage.
But were you offered?
No. There was an incident which happened, which is not a casting couch incident. But see, the other thing is that my mother used to always travel with me. I make sure that my mother used to always travel with me for all of my shoots at that point of time.
वो तो
in
मुझे
South.
जब मैं खुद इंडस्ट्री में आया तब पता चला कि क्यों मम्मीज फॉर विमेन आर रिक्वायर्ड, यू नो, जो पहले होता था ना मम्मी जी,
हाँ.
इट्स रिक्वायर्ड एट टाइम्स, यू नो.
Because that industry, southern industry, is like you don't have women on set. At least when I used to shoot, there were only
Really?
men, only men. Except for the actors, there were only men. The entire crew used to be only men.
But you never had a bad experience.
I wouldn't say that. I mean, like, I wouldn't say that I had a bad experience because it really depends from person to person and their experiences. Not everyone goes through that, and not everyone goes through.
Because these are stories that you keep hearing about in newspapers or
वही
media
ना,
channels.
यही मैं बोल रही हूँ कि stories तो हर जगह से सुनाई देती है.
तुम्हारे बारे में कोई स्टोरी सुनी है जो तुमने बोला कि यार ये कैसे आ गई, बहुत ही अनट्रू सी? Any gossip, any rumor that you heard and you're like, this?
One, that I am married. Two, that I have a child. Even Google, if you type Erica's husband, you will get that. Erica's child, you will get. I'm like, when?
Erica has a husband according to Google. What is the name of the husband according to Google?
Check कर लो Google पे.
Let's do this live. Erica Fernandez's husband and kid.
Everyone ruined them.
Yeah, हर कोई करेगा. हाँ, guys, you also do it also. But तुमने किया है? तुम्हारे बच्चे का नाम क्या है गूगल के हिसाब से? Let's just check.
मेरा जो बच्चा कुछ रंग में बना था ना,
हाँ,
उसका फोटो है. A lot of people think I am married because of this Google.
Erica Fernandez marriage. यहाँ तो
Husband,
एरिका करने
husband.
वाली हैं शादी. Is Erica in a relationship?
एक तो 1 second, एक तो ये जो फोटो एक जो मैंने डाला था ना, ई वाला पिक्चर, लोगों ने सोचा कि वो एंगेजमेंट पिक्चर है. क्यों भाई, कौन ऐसा रिंग देता है एंगेजमेंट पे?
Oh, so we are there. Engagement से प्रॉब्लम नहीं, रिंग से प्रॉब्लम
रिंग से प्रॉब्लम है, वो मेरा खुद का रिंग है भाई, ई है.
Why? When I just googled, oh my god, I had never googled these things
Show me,
about
show
you.
me.
भाई इतने सारे traumatic breakups, relationships, ये क्या headlines आ रही भाई?
दिखाओ,
Look
मुझे
at
देखना
them. It's Erica Fernandez. Which is the traumatic breakup that everybody is talking about? You saw, see, her face was like, wow.
Break silence on her marriage plans.
ब्रेक ना एरिका यार, मेरे अनसेंसर्ड पे ब्रेक करो, तुम कुछ ब्रेक करना है तो.
What is this? After breakup, Erica wants to fall in love. What is this?
I love these headlines. हाँ.
You saw that?
Erica Fernandez
Marriage
opens
नहीं,
up about
husband.
her.
Your first one, husband. Check
That
किया
I've seen,
हमने.
but उसके बाद बाकी सारे हेडलाइंस आ गए थे.
देखो हर्षद के साथ फोटो है, शहीर के साथ फोटो है, पार्थ के साथ फोटो है, इन सबके साथ शादी हो चुकी है.
हर्षद, पार्थ, शहीर सबके साथ एक बार हो गई है.
जी, हो गई है.
शो में हुई है गाइस. शो में हुई है. Wow. Have you ever googled yourself like this? No, I never. Because you were equally
That
shocked.
is how I got to know this, na?
But you have to see the expression. Like, what?
Yeah.
You know, Google comes up with really funny. Also, those
No,
YouTube.
that other one, I'm like, no, the one you saw?
Yeah.
Shit.
बताओ ना उसके बारे में. Please.
मुझे ओपन इट, क्या है वो?
Guys, हम आपको इसका insert डालेंगे.
नहीं.
No, it's not what you and I are saying. It's just we will put the insert of this.
Marriage
Erika, क्या
वाला? Oh my
clarification है
God.
आपका इस बारे में?
Oh, the ring photo? Okay, the ring photo, I'll tell you. So the ring photo was basically put up because my ex at that point needed security क्योंकि मैं actress हूँ.
Oh हाँ.
So the world knows that she is with someone else. That's all. The picture was because of that. It was not to show the world that I'm engaged or anything. You know, sometimes you're, like I said now, trying to make things work and trying to
Yeah.
so
Trying to
you-
make it
yeah.
work. It's as simple as that. Yeah.
you end up doing such kind of things then.
But what is your take? You know, इंडस्ट्री में बहुत सारे लोग हैं, इवन बॉलीवुड एंड टेलीविजन, जो कहते हैं हमें रिलेशनशिप ना इंडस्ट्री के बाहर करनी है. लाइक गाइस से हम एक्ट्रेस के साथ नहीं करेंगे, एक्ट्रेस से हम एक्टर्स के साथ नहीं करेंगे. व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन दैट? वुड यू लाइक टू डेट एन एक्टर?
Would I like to, have I not dated an actor?
Have you?
Have I?
Yeah, like have you not dated an actor? अच्छा एक्टर था कि बुरा एक्टर था? मतलब ठीक है, रिलेशनशिप छोड़ दो, इंसान छोड़ दो. एज एन एक्टर वाज ही अ गुड एक्टर और गुड बैड एक्टर? व्हाट डू यू से? गुड एक्टर. बट इंसान
Good.
तो फिर क्यों ब्रेकअप?
Circumstances.
तुमने तोड़ा?
मैंने नहीं तोड़ा. It was, I think,
दैट्स डिफरेंट यार.
it happened very abruptly, which was questionable.
Here's the story. Please tell us.
I also don't know the story.
तुम्हें अभी तक नहीं पता कि तुम्हारा ब्रेकअप क्यों हुआ? Sorry. Guys, थोड़ा सा रूड है, किसी के ब्रेकअप पे हंसना नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन एरिका इट्स लाइक मेरे घर से सामान चोरी
But
है.
it didn't know. It is like it didn't work out. It was more of that.
That's what you're saying right now, but you know the
Yeah, it took quite some time for like a closure.
but not knowing why you lost something is very traumatic, man. Wow.
Yeah, so then you jump into another, trying to make things work, which doesn't happen your way, and then you get into a very traumatic. I can make a movie on that.
What will be the movie called?
कसौटी जिंदगी की.
कसौटी एरिका की जिंदगी की. Yeah. This is amazing, man. Your love life is like quite a roller coaster, you
Yeah.
know. Okay, in hindsight now, because there's one thing that I really like about you is that whenever you talk, you always talk about giving some wisdom to people from your experiences, which is very important for actors, celebrities and all. आजकल के ज़माने में ना ऐसा भी हो गया कि जब बेचारे एक्टर्स बोलते हैं बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स हो जाती हैं, कॉन्ट्रोवर्सीज हो जाती हैं, हेडलाइंस आ जाती हैं.
See, this is a problem, even like I had shared with you the traumatic experience of my past, and I told you कि भाई.
But guys, no, she did not give me a name. That
No,
she not.
and that
she
I can't give a name because again, see, the thing is that I have gone through a very violent relationship,
Violent.
like physical abusive also. It has reached that stage where there was physical abuse, yeah. But I didn't want to bring it out in the open at that point of time because one, when you are an actor, everything becomes news.
हाँ.
When you go to the cops, it will become news. Then there will be a media trial.
Also, अगर तुम नाम नहीं ले रहे हो तो लोग नाम जोड़ लेंगे, लगा लेंगे.
Exactly.
That's
And
unfair on the
then-
person also.
Yes. And then another thing is, you really don't want this to become a big thing, but it will become. ऊपर से I am not very sure on what the outcome will be in terms of going to the cops. I don't know. We don't know because a lot of I don't trust the judicial system really that much. To be honest, if you will really get, or how long will it take?
There's
to get-
judgment also.
Yeah, there's judgment. Then there is I think कि भाई ये तो publicity के लिए कर रही है.
हाँ, actually, guys, sorry. I really want to, on her behalf and on every woman's behalf, I want to say this. that जब भी कोई लड़की अपने साथ क्या गलत हुआ उसकी बात करती है वो पब्लिसिटी के लिए नहीं कर रही. guys, she is a girl too at the end of the day who wants
This is the
safety.
problem. This is the problem because this is the reason why women don't speak.
Yeah.
Because they are the ones who get targeted eventually. कि भाई इतने टाइम से चुप क्यों थी, अभी क्यों बोल रही है. इतने टाइम से इसलिए चुप थी क्योंकि आप लोग बोलेंगे कि पब्लिसिटी के लिए किया है, या मीडिया उठा के ये बोलेगी कि भाई
और शायद वो कोशिश कर रही थी जेन्युइन उस चीज को वर्क कराने की.
that's what I'm saying, no, there was a lot of things. There was a lot of things that go into, a relationship or trying to make things work or your own peace of mind. It takes you time to deal with certain matters and then speak about it.
क्या.
You have to be ready to speak about it. If you're not ready, how will you speak about it?
But Erica, at that time जब ये सब हो रहा था, it must have been a very difficult thing to. तुम काम कर रही थी उस वक्त?
जी.
You were shooting and going through all of this. Oh my God, like seriously. But who helped you? How did you come out of it? And I want you to tell this to people who are in those relationships और continue करती रहती हैं. वो लड़कियां सोचते हुए कि शायद बदल जाएगा, शायद चीज़ें बदल जाएगी. नहीं, क्योंकि अगर एक बार ऐसी चीज़ें हो गई वो नहीं बदलेगा.
जी. Like to deal with it was a different thing. I was, again, मैं खुद ही अपने आप से डील कर रही थी, अपनी सिचुएशन से, अपने चीज़ों से डील कर रही थी कि मैं कैसे इस चीज़ को हैंडल करूँ या कैसे अपने आप को हैंडल करूँ या हाउ डू आई स्पीक अबाउट इट या जो कुछ भी है. आई स्पोक टू अ फ्यू पीपल हु नो अबाउट
Friends.
Yeah, friends who know about it at that moment when it happened. And that instance left a scar on me. And at times when I see films or movies where there is physical abuse, a man abusing a woman, I get flashes of those. Yeah. It actually took a toll on me. And when I watched Dopati, Shahir ki, I was watching it for, his
A friend,
performance and
yeah.
everything. But when I watched the film, it took me back to
those days.
and I was like, shit. So, I mean, not too many people. I mean, this is the first time I think everyone's going to be hearing about it.
And take your time, जितना comfortable हो उतना बोलो. I will not pressurize you
Yeah.
for views कि तुम बोलो नहीं.
No. And even I'm not doing it for views.
I
But
know, I
guys,
know.
I want you all to know that everyone goes through it. How much ever they try to show that they are strong, at the end of the day, people do face battles in life which they have to gather courage to, and it takes time to speak about it in public. And it took me a couple of years.
First of all, I am very proud of you. That
Thank you.
You took your own time, came out of it. Huge respect for people like you and for all girls like you. क्योंकि जो तुमने बताया अभी, ऐसा नहीं है कि ये सिर्फ सक्सेसफुल फेमस रिच लोगों के साथ ही होता है. ये गली गली में हो रहा है इंडिया में. एंड दैट इज वाई इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टॉक अबाउट थिंग्स लाइक दैट.
Yeah.
एरिका, क्या चीज़ थी जिसने तुम्हें स्ट्रेंथ दी? एंड व्हाट शुड अ पर्सन डू व्हेन दे आर गोइंग थ्रू अ सिचुएशन लाइक दैट?
The best thing is to talk.
है ना?
Best thing, instead of acting, reacting, and everything, is to talk. Talk to someone, get it off your chest at that point of time. Yes, it will not happen instantly that you're going to get over it. It will take a lot of time, but give that time to yourself to heal. Because if you don't put in efforts to like give yourself that time, you're never going to heal.
Can I ask you something if you don't mind? क्या दुबई आना was a part of that decision? Because sometimes आप जब मूव अवे करते हो सिचुएशन से तो आपको
मैं
बेटर दिखता
मूव अवे कर रही थी उस जगह से in
करेक्ट. वही मैं
general.
बोल. अच्छा.
Not because of this one experience.
Yeah.
My whole decision was to get out of the place, go to a new place which is not my comfort zone. I wanted to get out of my comfort
Fresh
zone.
energy.
Fresh energy, fresh me. I wanted to see what I can do. I wanted to challenge myself कि भाई तुम इस इंडस्ट्री के बारे में कुछ नहीं जानती. तुम जाके when I came to Dubai, मैंने अपना कोई एक पैसा वहाँ से नहीं मैं इंडिया से नहीं लेके आई.
You made fresh money here. Wow. एक ही दिले कितनी बार
I
जीतोगी?
didn't. Huh?
एक ही दिले कितनी बार जीतोगी? नहीं, seriously, this is amazing.
No, I didn't because I wanted to start from scratch. I didn't want people to say कि भाई हाँ ठीक है एक्टर है उसने वहाँ पे पैसे अगर बनाए होंगे तो यहाँ लेके आके फिर then she started her own thing, उसमें क्या बड़ी बात है? नहीं. It is not that because whatever I made there I kept there only. और
तो
जो
यहाँ
भी है
जीरो से कैसे स्टार्ट किया? Weren't you scared? Weren't you like?
No, because
कैसे?
I have people here, I have family here. So I was still, this is a place where it already was like home for me, Dubai. And when I came here, let me tell you, I started from a small house. It is not that कि भाई यहाँ पे कोई luxuries थी मेरी. I started small even here. I wanted to do it from scratch even here. I started from like a small studio space, going to a little bigger size studio, then going to a 1 BHK, 2 BHK. वैसे करके बनाया है यहाँ पे slowly. But I did it and I did it on my own.
I'm so proud of you because मैं जानता हूँ ऐसी कुछ लड़कियों को जो गुजरी हैं, जिनसे तुम गुजरी हो, उनका फर्स्ट रिसॉर्ट होता है शादी कर लेती हूँ, निकल जाती हूँ. एंड इट इज़ सो इम्पॉर्टेंट टू फाइंड योर सेल्फ बिकॉज जो तुमने किया है, आई थिंक यू हील्ड योर सेल्फ फॉर अ लाइफ लॉन्ग थिंग. एक नीजर्क रिएक्शन, किसी रिलेशनशिप में जाना, शादी कर लेना. व्हाट डू यू से अबाउट दैट?
See, again, if I have to get married, another thing, about marriage is that people think कि if I get married, then मेरी जो responsibilities है वो आदमी उठाएगा, husband उठाएगा, which is wrong. जब वो, it is the same thing, like you as an individual, if you, as a woman, okay? If I'm going to get married and I say कि भाई अब शादी हुई है, the husband says कि ना तुम उठाओ दोनों लोगों की responsibility, तो कैसे होगा?
सही बात है.
It is not about कि the person, of course, he is the, if you're saying the provider, तो provide करो in different ways ना. अभी तो women are independent, they are financially also independent, they are working women. Finance can be done together, like you can take care of the house together, split and do that together. But where you need a man to provide is emotionally. Be there, emotionally support.
तुम्हें लगता है कई बार जब लड़कियां कंप्लेन करती हैं कि
He's not there for that, not there for me.
तो थोड़ी गलती लड़कियों की, बिकॉज व्हेन दे आर चूजिंग दे आर लुकिंग एट जस्ट अ पैकेज, कौन सी गाड़ी.
Exactly. They are not looking at people who are emotionally available.
Yeah.
आपके पास सब कुछ है कि आपके पास अच्छी जॉब है, गाड़ी है, घर है, ये है, वो है, सब कुछ है. You have a very good lifestyle. But is that person really there for you? That is the question.
Who's that person who's been really there for you in your life, पूरी जर्नी में अगर तुम देखो तो?
पूरी जर्नी में you're talking about when I started working, since when I started
नहीं,
working.
in your life, एरिका फर्नांडिस के लिए वो इंसान कौन है who's always there?
I have Amber, who is always
Here
been
only,
there.
na?
Yeah.
हाँ.
I have her. There is Shubhavi. There is, I mean, like, even my mother supports me. My brother supports me. So it's, people have been there.
आई हैव टू से वन थिंग दैट एंड ये मैं उन लड़कियों से कहना चाहूँगा जो आइडलाइज करती हैं सेलिब्रिटीज़ को, एक्ट्रेसेस को. आई हैव सीन हाउ मच लव दे हैव फॉर यू. आई वुड नाउ वांट यू टू आइडलाइज हर फॉर 3 बेसिक थिंग्स. एक चीज़ मैं तुम्हें करेक्ट करना चाहूँगा, विच यू प्रॉब्ली डिड नॉट नो, दैट यू सेड दैट यू हैव दीज पीपल, बट आई थिंक द फर्स्ट पर्सन हु इज बीन देयर फॉर यू इन ऑल ऑफ दिस इज एरिका फर्नांडिस, एंड यू शुड बी वेरी
I was going to say that, but I said I've already like spoken about that.
honestly it's very important, क्योंकि तुम खुद बताओ मुझे कि जो चीज़ों से हम गुजरते हैं लाइफ में, सबके लाइफ में स्ट्रगल्स, अच्छी चीज़ें होती है. इफ यू आर नॉट देयर फॉर यू,
नहीं, of course.
so I think the first person you should be
Of
thanking
course,
is
that is where the whole realization and the strength comes from. No? Because
Self-love.
it depends on you if you want to take it, if you want to take it in that direction of rising or falling.
yeah.
Because everyone else will be there, they'll support you, they will be there, but you can take the horse to the pond, but you can't make it drink.
No, and it's very important, honestly, because मैं आज भी देखता हूँ कि हम लोग बहुत आगे बढ़ गए हैं. हम लोग 2020, ये एपिसोड बेसिकली 2025 में आएगा, तो हम लोग 2025 आ ही गए. हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू यू टू. बट 2025 में आने वाला है, तो हम बहुत आगे बढ़ गए, बट कुछ चीज़ों में हम लोग नहीं बढ़े आगे. ऊपर से हम लोग देखते हैं, बट
हम, like you were saying AI and this and all, technology wise, and we are moving ahead in life, but in terms of where everyone's mental health and everything is going backwards.
है ना?
Yeah.
I also feel on social media it's like क्या judgments आते हैं.
We can do 10 podcasts,
I think we should.
We have too much to talk about.
No, but talk about it. Why don't you talk about it?
No, see, in terms of this, oh, wait, I forgot. We were talking about marriage and everything.
Yeah.
Huh.
Let's.
So in terms of marriage,
I'm ready. When guys, मैं मंगलसूत्र निकालने के लिए तैयार हूँ. I'm ready. हाँ बोलो.
So in terms of marriage, like when you say people get married, it is not because you have to find it. It's not an escape. It's not an escape route कि भाई यहाँ पे तुम्हारा कुछ नहीं हो रहा, काम नहीं हो रहा, या तुम अपने आप को नहीं फाइनेंशियली what do you call, support कर पा रहे हो, तो आप शादी कर लो. ये गलत बात है.
Correct. शादी can't be the escape or.
It can't be. It can't be a
दिल टूट
solution
गया,
for
शादी कर
this.
लो.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Because you're doing wrong to the other person also. You're coming with a baggage and throwing it on the other person. You're weighing that person down with your baggage, which is wrong. You can't make relationships like something that completes you. It needs to be something that makes you grow or adds to you. It can never be something that if it's not there, you miss out on कि मैं मर ही जाऊँगा. नहीं. Because you came into this world alone. You will go alone. You can't make it something that will define you.
Yeah.
You need a person in your life to add value to your life, not to be the value of your
ये
life.
जो spiritual wisdom तुम्हें आई, किसने दी, कैसे आई?
मैं बैठ के मैं सोचती रहती हूँ.
Yeah.
I'm a very, very deep thinker and I'm like an overthinker also at times.
No, but it's amazing because हमारे जो offline भी कई बार conversations I once told you that do you have a healer side of you, do you want to go there? There's a lot of healing energy in you. तो ये because तुमने experiences ऐसे देखे आई, ये genuinely थी. Do you have interest in that side of the
I've been told that I have a healer side of me
तो
also.
किस तरह की healing करती हो? Because I'm ready to send people to you.
No, because see, I get a lot of people sometimes who I don't know, who don't know me on a personal level, that level कि वो अपने चीज़ें मेरे साथ आके share करे, but they come sit with me and then talk about things to feel light or talk about very personal stuff to me. Ask for advice and go.
So do you believe in destiny? Do you believe in like you
Yeah,
know?
destiny I believe in.
Yeah. Do you also believe in all the other things that people don't really talk about it, but हमारी इंडस्ट्री में बहुत बातें होती हैं internally sets पे about someone doing something to you,
Oh, yeah,
someone sending negative energy.
Oh, yeah,
you know, नींबू मिर्ची,
Oh yeah, बहुत हुए.
बाबा बूबू.
Of course.
You believe?
Yes, मुझ पे भी किया गया है तो मुझे पता है.
How do you know तुम पे किया गया है?
Because there are different ways to get to know you. Sometimes you know you're being controlled. Sometimes you know.
You're being controlled. Wow.
Yeah.
I'm okay to do this a 2 episode, but talk about it.
It's a lot to talk about. I think we can do a separate episode on this.
Yeah, but I just want to know that तुम्हें कैसे पता चला कि तुम पे ऐसा कुछ किया गया है?
Sometimes when you are, you can see what is happening, but you will never speak about it. You can see that something's happening, but you can't speak about it.
तुम बोल नहीं पा रही हो.
बोल नहीं पाओगी या एक्सप्रेस नहीं कर पाओगी या किसी से वो यू विल डिफेंड योरसेल्फ टू इट.
Wow.
दैट
It's
थिंग
like-
इज है कि यू आर बैटलिंग विद इन योरसेल्फ कि मैं कैसे ये
तुम
एक्सप्रेस
मतलब,
कर
are you talking
पाऊंगी.
about like a negative entity or energy? मतलब
It is not like that. It's not like a physical force on you.
दिमाग से.
But it is.
it's like someone controlling your mind.
Mind.
Oh wow.
So your mind is battling in.
तो तुम गलत डिसीजंस ले लेते हो, तुम
जी,
गलत
जी.
चीजें कह
तुम
देते हो.
वही डिसीजंस लोगे जो वो चाहते हैं तुम लोग.
तो जब तुम्हें पता चला ऐसा कुछ है, एक तो मतलब कैसे पता चला एंड व्हाट डिड यू डू? सोल्यूशन क्या था उसका?
बाद में बताती हूँ.
ओके.
No, it is solution basically is avoid anything that other people give you to eat. Avoid taking anything, wearing anything that anyone gives you.
वेयरिंग एनीथिंग. तो मंगलसूत्र नहीं दूं अभी.
नहीं.
Just kidding.
मुझे क्या पता वो कंट्रोल कर लेगा मुझे माइंड. और बोलेगा, अभी कल शादी कर लेते हैं तो.
यही तो हम चाहते थे, uncensored with शार्दुल पे. No, but guys, I mean, and I want to say this to you. I think whoever is going to give you the Mangalsutra is going to be a very lucky guy, because
Thank
after
you.
having this, I think this is my 5th good chat with you. You have, a very wise side to you, and a very realistic side to you. You don't blame anybody. You don't cry over spoiled milk. You move on. You have made a new life, and आज मुझे पता चला that you've gone through certain things जो normally इंसान या normal एक लड़की अगर go through करेगी, that they will be broken. They'll not be able to stand up. So my respect for you, Erica Fernandez, has gone up much higher, and I'm very glad that you decided to speak your heart out. Not just for you, me, and this podcast, but for giving inspiration to a lot of people जो जब टूटते हैं उन्हें समझ नहीं आता है कि क्या करें, because टूटने के बाद आप फिर से खड़े हो सकते हो.
फिर से खड़े हो सकते हो, लेकिन जितना टाइम चाहिए उतना टाइम लो. अपने आप को रीबिल्ड करो, जोड़ो और फिर उठो. यू हैव टू बी अ फीनिक्स.
That's amazing, and thank you so much that तुमने बिना holds barred, no holds barred, you had this discussion, and I'm honored that you felt comfortable, because honestly I did not want to push you into anything. That's why I didn't ask her ki who were those guys she dated. And if you think I'm going to ask her, you are wrong, because this is uncensored with Shardul, not sensational with Shardul. My idea is, and her idea has always been that we want to talk about things जो हमने अपनी लाइफ में देखी है और जो लोगों को हेल्प कर सके, अवेयरनेस कर सके, एंड फॉर द राइट रीजंस. थैंक यू सो मच एरिका फॉर बीइंग दैट one person to me as a guest, but to your fans, honestly I have to say to your fans that there's so much that they can learn from you through the entire journey of this podcast. And guys, हो सकता है शायद मैं ये episode, क्योंकि there's so much of heart, I might not release it in one go. शायद ये 2-part interview होगा, तो आप लोग देखिएगा. And do tell her whatever you've learned. I have learned one thing from her today, is that you should always trust yourself.
Yes, definitely.
Thank you so much for being uncensored with Shardul.
Thank you.